Welcome to this episode. We are going on an overnight hunt. We were meant to be going to another place, staying there for 3 nights. Unfortunately, the South Island was hit with extreme winds, which caused many roads to close. That's why we had to make the decision to not go for our 3-day hunt and do an overnight hunt somewhere else. Just before we sat down, we actually saw a pig. Unfortunately, it ran off too fast. We decided to go out for a hunt, but did not think we would see anything since the wind was going straight up the valley. I can keep my big camera, other camera out. Yes, I got it. Oh yeah, I can see it. 7-2. Oh yeah, I got it on camera.
Can't be just a lone wolf storm.
Get your spotting scope out. After a bit of thinking, we came up with a plan on how we could have a go at this deer. Unfortunately, around 10 minutes later, the deer got spooked and ran off, so we continued to walk up the hill and have a look across to where he could have ran. So this is where the spiker was eating. And then it was over there and ran up on there. Prince going over there. We did end up getting a little bit lost, but we made our way out.
Where's he gone?
He went like this.
Doesn't know. We could have just went the way we were going to go, eh? Morning guys, it's day 2. Did a overnighter last night. Carved this seat out, quite a nice comfy seat. Took a wee while but got there. But yesterday was just howling. The wind was so strong it was blowing us around, but we went out last night and sat down and saw a spiker, so we went across and tried to get it, but unfortunately the wind was against us, so we got within 100 metres of it, but it just picked us up, and we had someone spotting on the other side and had our radios, and they just told us it just shot off, so obviously got wind of us, so we came back home, had tea about 9 o'clock and just had a couple of beers, and then we went to sleep. So this is day 2 now, and had a passing shower. We picked up all our gear because it was getting quite wet, but now it's come out quite sunny, but it's still pretty windy and cold, so we're not really sure what the plan is today, if we just head on out or we stay for a little bit longer, but we'll keep you posted anyway. Pretty windy and cold, so we're not really sure what the plan is today, if we just head on out or we stay for a little bit longer. She's a dog and a half, isn't it? Right. Yeah. It takes up half 3.
Oh, it was on the outside, which... It's huge.
That's big, isn't it? So what's this little bit you're seeing into? How big's that compared to a bino one? It doesn't look big, does it?
No, you kind of got to get your eyes.
Yeah.
After having a look around, we made the decision to head back to the car since it was just way too windy to do any hunting. If you have any feedback or tips on what I can do better in future videos, please leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.